Reasoning in Key Stage 2 Maths Session 2 is all around multiplication and division. Again, we're looking at the principles of planning sequences of lessons. We'll look at using visual representations, how we introduce calculation in small steps, ways to deepen talk, and how we can also add challenge at each phase. There's going to be reasoning built in right throughout sequences of lessons. We'll consider different forms of multiplication and how that can get children thinking in different ways and using different visual representations. And we'll look at the ways that children might represent their own thinking. Then we'll move to how do we build understanding of calculation, using visual representations to uncover some of the main big ideas for children to extend, how that those visual representations can develop to help children calculate fluently, and how it can work towards children understanding in more of an abstract understanding. We'll show the same ideas in division and how that progresses within division, those visual representations as well. And then we'll have a look at introducing written calculation. How can we break that down into small steps so that children have a really deep understanding of each step, but they're not overloaded with too many things to memorise all at once. And there's lots of resources that will help to do that. We'll also look at how children will come to see different calculation techniques, how we can model it, and how we can provide questions that will help them to see that and to become flexible in their approach and open-ended in the way that they can see problems. Again, then we'll come to have a look at, within these sequences of lessons, how will children come to deepen their thinking and have more open-ended investigations to explore. So this Reasoning in Key Stage 2 Maths session is really going to help you as a teacher to build those sequences of lessons in multiplication and division. It'll really help you to understand children, what the barriers that they face, how we can move their understanding forward in the way that they can reason, and how reasoning can be introduced in different ways in different phases and sequences of lessons. It's really going to help to build secure long-term memory for children, and I'm really excited to share the resources, the new ideas that will really help you to introduce calculation and for children to have real success in that.